Lily, what does the doggy say?
What does the dog say?
Roar, roar. What does the kitty say? What does the kitty say?
Good morning.
Yes, the kitty doesn't say good morning, but good morning to you. You can do better than that. Can you try it again?
What does the dog say?
We know what the doggy says. Roar. What does the doggy say? Lily, what does the doggy say?
Oh, is it girl?
Oh, yes, you're a good girl, but that's not what the doggy says. What does the doggy say?
What does the dog say?
Roar. What does the doggy say? No. Boy, you are not even barking today.
You're a good girl.
Yes, you are a good girl.
What are you, good girl?
What are you doing up there?
What does the dog say?
Roar.
Woo.
Whoa, that's right. Whoa. Woof. What does the kitty say?
I love you.
Oh, thank you, honey. I love you too.
You're a good girl.
Oh, yes, you're a good girl too. There you go. Good. Thank you. Very good, honey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello there.
Hello there. What are you doing up there? What are you doing there?
What does the dog say?
Roar. What does the kitty say? Oh, aren't you going to meow today?
Woo.
Roar. What does the kitty say? Meow. What does the kitty say?
Woo. Is it birdie?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. Well, okay. Say goodbye.